If you are planning a PF withdrawal, will you have to pay tax or not? Many people get confused about this. In this video, I will clearly explain when PF withdrawal is tax free and when tax will be deducted, along with how to apply a partial withdrawal online. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will cover 5 important steps to make sure to watch till the end, because I will share some important notes and common mistakes that can lead to claim rejection. Let's start with step 1, Introduction to PF Partial Withdrawal. The PF Partial Withdrawal allows employees to withdraw a portion of their PF balance for specific needs without leaving their job. These withdrawals are also called PF advance, that is Form 31, and in most cases they are not refundable. The key features of PF partial withdrawal. A purpose-based withdrawal. The PF partial withdrawal is allowing only for specific purposes such as medical emergency, education, marriage, or housing. Non-refundable. Once the amount is withdrawn, you do not need to repay to your EPF account. Service eligibility. Eligibility depends on number of years you worked, which may range from 0 to 10 years depending on the purpose. Self-declaration. In many cases, no documents are required. You have to apply using self-declaration through EPFO portal. Step 2. Requirements before applying. Before applying for PF partial withdrawal, make sure the following requirements are ready. Activated UAN. The UAN must be activated and your registered mobile number should be active to receive OTP. Aadhaar linked. Your Aadhaar number is linked and verified in the EPFO portal. Bank account verified. Your bank account should be linked with PF account and verified. Step 3. A PF partial withdrawal portal demo. In Google, enter UAN portal login. You will find that link UAN-Employee Provident Fund. Click that link to continue. Close this button. In right hand side, you will see the PF login. Enter UAN number, enter password, then click sign in. The second factor authentication is required. The OTP is sent to your registered mobile number. Once received, enter it here. Then click submit to continue. This is UAN dashboard. Before you initiate request, satisfy oneself that KYC and service eligibility conditions. First, we check the KYC. In dashboard, go to manage. Then you will find the option KYC. Click KYC. Under currently active KYC, you will find the document type bank, PAN, and Aadhaar. In status tab, all has to be verified and approved. Under status, any one of the documents is not approved, you will find the option add KYC. So click that relevant option which you want to update. Then come to the dashboard, go to online services. You will find the option claim Form 31, 19, 10C and 10D. Click here to continue. The online claim will open. Here you will verify your name, date of birth and mobile number. Everything is correct. Once verified, then you will find the option bank account number. Enter the bank account number. Then click verify. The notification will pop up. Read the notification. Then click yes. And please note, this is the bank account number. The amount will be credited. Then scroll down. You will find the option proceed for online claim. Click proceed for online claim. Step 4, how to initiate the withdrawal request. Then you will find I want to apply for. Under that, you will find the following options. For partial withdrawal, you have to use Form 31. Click PF Advance Form 31. Then scroll down. Then here you have to select the service. So the following member ID will open. You want to select which member ID you want to withdraw the partial withdrawal. Once selected, click enter to continue. Now select the purpose of withdrawal. The following options are available. So the red color shows that is disabled. You cannot select these options. You have to select any one of the options. Under the available options, here you will see that for housing loan, you need the service eligibility for 60 months. If you want to take the funds for the marriage, you have to wait for 7 years, that is 84 months. For lockout or closure of factory, there is no need for service eligibility, and there is any illness, there is no need for service eligibility. You have to apply without any lock-in period. And natural calamity and cut in electricity in establishment or purchasing of physically handicapped equipment, these are the options. You do not need any waiting period, so you have to apply it for partial withdrawal. Enter the partial required amount. Here I will enter 50,000. Enter the employee address, so that this address you will find in the your payslip. Enter state, enter district, enter city, enter pin code. Then you have to upload the cancel check. The check is already verified and digitally signed, so no need to upload here. So sometimes you have to upload the registered cancel check if required. Scroll down, then click this checkbox, read the terms and conditions and click this checkbox, and then click get Aadhaar OTP. The OTP will be sent to your registered Aadhaar mobile number. So once received, enter it here. Then click here to submit claim form. Once you submit, this claim will go to the EPF office. They will do the verification, and then this process will take 3 to 5 working days. Then the amount will be credited in your registered bank account. If you want to track the advanced claim status, you come to UAN dashboard, then go to online services. Here you will find the track claim status. Click track claim status. Here you will track your claims. How long does the PF partial withdrawal take? PF partial withdrawal form 31 is usually credited in your bank account within 7 to 15 working days after submission. In some cases, it may take up to 20 days if there is any verification delays or missing details. Step 5. Important notes and common points. The payment will be credited only on registered bank account. The withdrawal amount will be credited only the bank account linked and verify in your UAN. You cannot request the payment to any other bank account. No need to submit documents offline. Once you submit the claim form, there is no need to submit any physical documents to the employer or EPFO office. Taxability of PF partial withdrawal. Generally, PF partial withdrawals are tax-free, especially if you are completed 5 years of continuous service. If you withdraw before 5 years, the amount may become taxable depends upon the conditions. Very important. In certain cases, PF withdrawal is tax exempt even before 5 years in such as a business closure, death of the employee, any medical emergency. Make sure the bank account and KYC details are updated and yours is verified before initiate to avoid delays or rejection. And that's it about this video, friends. If you find something value in this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow me for more financial videos.